Hey everyone, AJ here at the Negative Supply headquarters, and today I wanted to make a quick video telling you all about the features of our ProRiser Mark II. There's a few different pieces of gear you're going to need when scanning your film using a digital camera. Obviously, a digital camera and a macro lens are good to have, but beyond that, you're going to need a light source for your camera scanning process. You're going to need a film carrier or a way to keep your negative flat. In this case, we have our film carrier 120 in place. And last but not least, you're going to need a copy stand. And for this video, of course, we're using our ProRiser Mark II. Before I mount my digital camera onto the ProRiser Mark II, I wanted to share a few of the specifications on this riser with you. And before we continue, this ProRiser Mark II is outfitted with our precision leveling feet. You can find those a la carte on our website. You can also find them in the drop-down menu on the ProRiser Mark II product page. So the ProRiser Mark II does have a central column height of 24 inches, and then the opening from the legs and across the back is 13.5 inches each direction. Mounting your digital camera to your ProRiser Mark II is quick and easy. Simply take your camera and find the 1/4 mounting stud on the head of your ProRiser Mark II and thread it into the tripod mount on your digital camera. Keep turning until it's tight and flush. Now you're ready to scan. Adjusting your camera's position on the ProRiser Mark II is also quick and easy. Simply support your digital camera, loosen the locking screw on the back of the ProRiser head, and then use the height adjustment knob at the top of the ProRiser central column to move your camera to the desired position, and then lock once you're in place. So now that our camera's mounted and we're ready to scan, I wanted to quickly show you the tools that we're using for this scanning setup. And my Canon EOS 77D, 60mm f2.8 macro lens, ProRiser Mark II with leveling feet, 5x7 Light Source Pro 99 CRI version, ProMount Mark II with film carrier 120 adapter plate, film carrier 120 with 6x7 mask installed, and our anti-static dust removal brush. Before we end this video, I wanted to demonstrate scanning a few frames of 120 film with this complete negative supply system. I'm going to raise the hinge of my film carrier 120, adjust to the next frame and make sure that everything is precise. Lower the hinge, capture my scan. I'm going to raise the hinge, move to the next frame, make sure everything's looking good on my monitor, lower the hinge, and capture the scan. Part of what I'm demonstrating here is that at Negative Supply, we don't just make one tool. We make a solution for every part of the camera scanning process, and this complete kit is an example of that. Thanks so much for tuning into this video all about our ProRiser Mark II. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing as we'll have more exciting videos forthcoming. And if you'd like to catch us elsewhere, you can find us on Twitter and Instagram. We'll have the links down below. For more information about our ProRiser Mark II and other exciting solutions for camera scanning needs, you can find that in the link to our website down in the description. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon.